Miyasako. In this lecture, I'm going to tell you some tips for making healthy sushi rolls. This is the key point of this course, so please focus on listening. Homemade sushi rolls are very different from the store-bought packages. It has a big advantage for your health. Okay, let's go ahead. Number 1. Let's put a lot of vegetables in the sushi roll. You can add any vegetables you want. Roll, boil, and fry. Anything is okay. The ratio of proteins and vegetables is 1:1 or 1:2. Please think about the balance of the taste and color. Enjoy choosing the ingredients. I will introduce the sushi roll recipes later, but you can arrange the ingredients to use the leftovers in the fridge. Number 2. Let's take less soy sauce. Soy sauce is a Japanese seasoning made from soybeans, wheat, rice malt, and salt. It goes with sushi, but it's salty, so taking too much is not good. There are the seasoned ingredients inside the sushi roll, so let's put little soy sauce on the surface. Number 3. Let's use sesame and nori seaweed. They are antioxidant rich, so it helps tumor suppression and it's good for anti-aging. And also, they are fiber rich and it helps keep your digestive system healthy. Number 4. Let's use an adequate amount of rice. If you have too many carbohydrates like rice, you will intake a lot of sugar to your blood, and that causes high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Please use a measure each time. For the half seed of nori seaweed, a half cup of rice is a good amount. When you put rice on nori, you can see the surface of nori from the gap between the rice. Number 5. Let's avoid harmful additives and preservatives. The sushi rolls that are put in a plastic container and sold in grocery stores have a lot of additives and preservatives in them. Sometimes it keeps fresh longer, makes the color brighter, adds flavor, and enhances the taste. They make your body sick, like a headache, stomachache, dizziness, and general malaise, obesity, cancer, and so on. Number 6. Let's take less processed food. Processed food uses a lot of sugar, salt, additives, and preservatives sometimes. Let's choose just the real ingredients. Number 7. Let's use a substitute for mayonnaise. We often see the decorated sushi roll using a lot of mayonnaise, but I don't recommend it. Mayonnaise contains trans fat. Eating trans fat raises the level of LDL cholesterol in the blood. It increases your risk of developing heart disease. I will show you how to cook the tofu mayonnaise, which is perfect substitute for the mayonnaise. That's all the tips to make healthy sushi rolls. You can use these tips for not only sushi rolls, but also every homemade recipes. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to cook sushi rice. See you all in the next lecture.